My name is Chuck Jolla. I'm an engineer. I'm retired. I've been in this region of King Township for about 40 years. It seemed like a good idea at the time. I had the capital, and I imagine it'll be a good future investment. Electricity use is going to go up in this country. So if you can get a leg up on that and start now, that's probably a good thing if you can. And I went onto the website and said, okay, looks like they have got some heft. The website indicated a one-stop shop, and I certainly appreciate that. I didn't want to get into the nuances of having to do some applications to King Township Board, applications to Hydro One. You want one person responsible for the outcome. You don't want... It didn't really involve me, which I think is great. In came the crew, and they did the work. Everything to do with XOLAR was quick. Everything to do with Hydro One, not so speedy. But you can't do anything about Hydro One. Big organization, it runs its own rules. And so if you're going to go this route, you just have to be familiar with that and suck it up, you know? That's the way, that's life. And so effectively, you're paying Hydro One to maintain your connection with the grid. The electricity costs are effectively zero. $120 of that has gone, which is the investment. I got credits on the bill, right? And so that means I'm not paying for electricity, and the credits are ramping up. And I expect over the summer, the credits are really going to be quite high, because obviously that's when the sun shines at the highest point, all the rest of that. No greenhouse gases, and I think people are all up in arms about the greenhouse gases, so that's a step in the right direction, don't you think? I think so. If you can, I think you should. They've answered all the questions I've had. They've been very good. They get back almost immediately. If you have a south-facing roof, then it becomes obviously much easier decision to make. And if you've got $30,000, well, you can put it into, your stocks and bonds or wherever you want to do investment, which the government might be interested in. Or you can invest it in this way, in which case the government's hands are off, except they give you a subsidy.